Here's my lizard, Mega Cheese's lizard, right here. He is my favorite lizard, and he sits there sometimes. So do you want to see him eat? Okay, I'll show you how to feed him. We're going to feed him. He eats crickets. Here's the crickets. Okay. That's how you feed a pet. That's how you feed my lizard. Thank you for watching My Bearded Dragon. Bye. This is by Mega Cheese. See more videos of these on Mega Cheese's channel.